go home and I have to take some ordered spinach feta wrap, as you can see. Okay, this is not a sponsored video, so I just want, okay, and then I also have the venti extra hot latte. So this is my breakfast for this morning. And sometimes we have a problem that, you know, we have no more time to eat breakfast. Since I work night shift, I don't have that time to, you know, prepare breakfast in the morning. Because what I want to do is when I get home, I just want to sleep right away in my bed. So yeah, so sometimes we need to choose the right food. I know fast food is not that healthy, but you have to choose the less damaging to your body. So this morning I ordered spinach feta, at least there's a spinach in it, the spinach feta wrap, and venti of latte, extra hot latte. So it's my favorite. I usually don't put sugar, but sometimes I ask them to put honey, 2 packs of honey. Okay, that's the maximum. So that's it. So let's try this one. It tastes good. It has feta cheese inside and chopped spinach, and I can see some, I don't know what's the orange part of this. Probably it's tomato. Taste wise, it's not that salty. The saltiness is enough, because we have to avoid salty food. Always remember that anything that is too much is not good for our body. Too sweet, too salty, you know, it's really bad. Same thing, too oily. Not just like my face, look. Too oily. And also don't forget to put, because I ordered online. I ordered through online. So don't forget to put warm, okay? Though usually they put warm, but the last time I ordered banana bread, I forgot to put warm, so they just gave me a cold banana bread. So always, okay, remind them or put in your order that it has to be warm. Yeah. Let me check. I always ask for extra hot latte because, you know, I don't drink it right away. I still have to travel sometimes. Sometimes I drink it at home, or sometimes at work. So when if it's not that extra hot, You know, it's cold already. You know, coffee is not that really good when if it's not that really hot. Unlike you really love cold coffee or iced coffee. So those are the choices, and it cost me $8.80 for these two. The wrap is also good. It's like whole grain. So overall, from 1 to 10, 10 is the high. I'm sorry, 10 is the highest. I can say spinach feta wrap is 8. Okay, because I'm still missing some taste. I'm looking for a certain taste, but I don't know what it is. Okay, so, and also I have here the Venti. I always ask for Venti because I feel, you know, I want to be satisfied with what I'm drinking, especially coffee. I love coffee. You know, if I want to put up a business, I think I'd rather put up a coffee shop because I really love coffee. And I've been into different countries. You know, coffee is really different from different places. Even in Asia, they have a different, there's a certain taste that, you know, like you can, if you're a really coffee drinker, you can easily, you know, taste the difference. So far, the coffee that I really love is from Central America, especially Honduras. Their coffee is really good, really strong, and it's not like other coffee shop or coffee that they taste good once you only put more milk in it. But you know, it will be a different video. I'm gonna talk about that. But for now, I'm focusing on these two, Venti extra hot latte and the spinach feta wrap. So always remember that fast food is not advisable for you. You can eat fast food once in a while, but not every day. Now, Venti latte has 240 calories, and spinach feta wrap has 290. So you have a total of 530 calories just for breakfast, just for those two. So always maintain the number of calories that you needed for the day. Okay, so as you can see, I don't encourage people to eat fast food every day. You can eat fast food once in a while with your work, with your family. All you have to do is do or make the right choices. Okay, if it's fast food, make sure that you choose the best one, the healthier one. So rate on this for spinach feta wrap, it's 8/10, and for Venti extra hot latte, it's same thing, 8/10. So yeah, that's it. So if you want to know more about this, I'm gonna write that in the information in the description below. And if you want me to review other food or fast food, just comment or message me. Leave a comment in the comment below. I need your support. Please subscribe, comment, and then hit the bell for any new videos. So again, this is Mr. Caps. Bye.